What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be taking these trash-ass Dickies boots, revamping them into something brand new. Let's go! Alright guys, let's start the breakdown process on these badass boots. We'll be stripping everything off from the bottoms, rebuilding these right up from the ground up. Let's go. Alright guys, so first look on the inside, that's the old sole off. We've got our steel midsole plate on the inside here, where so we're just going to give a wee bit of a tidy up and we'll reuse that for the new soles. We've also got a little foam padding underneath there. We're just going to tidy that up as well, get that sorted back in there. But first up, we're going to have to remove this old welt because we're replacing it with a nice leather one. Let's go! Now what I find is pretty cool on the inside here is we've got the gemming, which is this white piece of canvas that wraps around the whole shoe. They've actually gone ahead and stitched it to the footbed, so it doesn't have any chance of prying up when the glue is failed. For example, you take this barker that we've got, and we've already got some failing of the glues because these are just glued down, there's no stitching involved. So this kind of construction is really going to help with that issue. So good on you, Dickies. Alright guys, that's our boots completely re-welted. Now it's time to build these right back up with some new materials. Let's go!
Alright guys, that's us completely done with another project. These Dickies got the customization treatment, and now they're leaving the shop looking better than ever. As always guys, thank you so much for checking these videos out. You guys are legends, each and every one of you. Mad respect for you. My name's CobblerG, I'm doing new videos all the time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, drop me a like, and hit a comment out below. Let me know what you think about this finished result. As always guys, we'll catch you next week.